In today's video, I'll walk you through on how to blur parts of a video clip in Microsoft Clipchamp. Let's just get right into it. All right, so to blur a video using Microsoft Clipchamp for free, the first thing you need to do is to dictate the area. Okay, you want to blur the part of the video clip you want to blur. You can see here now, this video now, I'm teaching something about how to complete a task on WhatsApp contacts. And you can see these contacts here, their faces are showing. So if I want to maybe blur or cover their faces, these are the steps I have to take. First is that I'll know where to start from. Then once I know them, though I can still adjust it, I'll come to this section of this clip champ. Okay, you can see content library. I will click there. All right. So this content, the first section is shape. You can use shape to blur, but I don't want to use shape first. So let me use the what you know as blurry element. Okay. So I'll click here and now we type blurry or blur anyone. So blurry. So as I'm typing it, it's showing me some things I can use to blur. Okay, and you can see here under stickers, you can see this one is a blurring element. All right, or you can call it two, even this too. Okay, so by this text, I don't need to start filtering one from one group to another. No, type text and it will show you some things you can use to blur. So I will take my cursor here, okay, my mouse to this place, press and hold on the left button of my mouse, and then I will drag until I get to that place. I can just drop here actually. So once it loads, I can then make further adjustments. Okay, so depending on your internet speed, it may load faster or it may be slow. So now I can keep pushing it here, and once I get to this part of the clip, you will see the line will change color. All right, meaning that it has aligned. So first is to carve out that clip you want to blur from the other so that it will be easy for you to do the blurring. Okay, then I can then once I place it here, I can then do the job here. So I'll take my cursor to this place, press and hold the left button of my mouse, and then I will drag to cover what I want to cover. All right, so maybe I want to just cover the face of the first two in this case. Then once I position it there, I can then do what? Start reducing it. And if it doesn't blend properly because of the way, the size by default, I can use this. Once I click here, I can use on crop. I can click on that crop. Then I'll adjust it just to get what I want. I can adjust this way too. Okay. And then I'll tap on this good sign. You can see now it has only captured the faces. If I'm not satisfied, I can still click on this crop. All right, then I'll position my mouse very well and then drag up just to get the people, the faces I want. So be strategic in that. After that, I'll click on this. All right, and when this video will play now, it will be blurred. So I'll blur these two faces. You will not see them. All right. Then another thing, will I say, objects I like using in blurring is shape. Okay, in blurring is shape. So for you to delete this, let me delete this. I'll click here, and then once I click, I'll press the backspace key. It has gone. I like using shape depending on the situation because sometimes the movement of this blurring tool may not fit into what you want to do. So what I need to do here, I click here and clean this up. Okay, click on this. Okay, then I can click out. I click on another tab and click on the content again. Okay, and return back to normal. So I may like to use this rectangle. I usually use rectangle to cover some part I don't want people to see in my tutorial. So I will take my mouse to this place, press and hold on the left button of my, sorry, I will take my cursor to this place, press and hold on the left button of my mouse, and then I will drag to this place. Okay, to get to that clip, I can drop it and then do the adjustment again. Once it matches the line, we change in the timeline. You can see the line there. All right. So now let's start the job. First, I will crop this way. Okay, I will move it, adjust this, resize it. Then to my text, let's say I want to, cover all these faces here. I will just do that strategically, okay? Based on the fact that you are an editor, a creator. So I'll get this length, then take my mouse, take my cursor there, and then I'll block this face. And you can see this color here, ash color kind of, is different from the background color. So I don't want it to be noticed so well. So I can change the color. So I can click on this color and then I'll select white so that things will blend. After that, I'll click out. So if I play this video from here, you will see that it will play without showing the faces. So you can either use shape to blur, all right, or you can use the main blurring element. Okay, the choice is yours. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, including video editing. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. And leave a comment in the comment section if you have questions on this area of interest. Okay, I'll reply you in short time. You can check out this video here to learn more on video editing. Thank you and see you some other time.